I was searching through the shelves of Harbor Freight the other day and I found this hanging on the shelf. It looked pretty unique. I had not seen it before and I thought, maybe it might make a good stocking stuffer. So let's open this one up and take a look inside. And right off the bat, you can tell it's packed full of all kinds of stuff that you might need in the event of an emergency. And it comes with a hard shell case that is padded on the inside that'll keep your contents safe and from rattling around. The packaging states as part of the contents there are 12 pieces, and a lot of those 12 pieces have multiple tools built into them. The all-metal pocket knife feels pretty good in your hand. It is marked G23 on the edge of the blade right there. It is the style that you have to pull the little lever over to fold it back up. It does have a clip along the back side, a glass breaker in the end of the handle, and it also has a cutter right here that would be good for cutting rope or maybe even a seat belt. It does come with one of these pocket Saber cards, and there's all kinds of features as you can see. The one thing that I was pleasantly surprised about is the blade edge is relatively sharp. Normally these cards don't come with a sharp knife blade, but this one isn't too bad. It also comes with a spork, and the handle of the spork doubles as a whistle. And as you can tell, that whistle is extremely loud. In the handle is another blade, and again, that blade feels relatively sharp. And there are also some other tools built into the spork. The included flashlight is powered by a AA battery that was also included, and the flashlight comes with 3 modes of operation. It has a really dim mode for maximum life on that battery. It also has a brighter mode for when you really need the light, and it has an SOS pattern. That way if you're trying to get somebody's attention, you can put it in SOS mode and hopefully that will bail you out. It also has a clip, and that light is focusable. You could narrow it down to a nice beam or flood it out. It also comes with a fire starter, and the tool that you use to scrape the rod to make those sparks also has a bottle opener built in, and it has a little ruler along the edge. And once you make that fire, sometimes it's really nice to have a long tube to use as a bellows. So this is a really long expandable tube that allows you to blow right on the tinder that you're trying to start your fire with. There is also a wire saw. Now there's 2 ways to use these. You can put these across the stick and make kind of a bow saw, or you can just use your fingers on the end and move it back and forth across a branch to cut that branch. It also comes with a tactical pin. The pin does have a ballpoint pin in one end, and it has a really sharp point on the other. You can use this sharp point as either a tactical weapon, or you can use it to break glass. The pin also has a clip on it as well. This is a water bottle belt clip. You can take a water bottle, or in this case a soda bottle, tighten the cap down, and you can put this end around your belt. That'll allow you to carry your water bottle and still keep your hands functional. It does have a buckle clip, making it really easy to get your bottle on and off after you've attached it to your belt. So that could be very handy. It comes with a Mylar emergency blanket. I don't know if you've ever used one of these before, but these actually do work, and they work pretty well, specifically when you're freezing and you really need warmed up. Also included is a survival bracelet. It's basically a bunch of paracord, which is always handy in the event of an emergency. But also hidden in the buckle is a compass, another whistle, and another fire starter. The striker for that fire starter is on the other end of that buckle. Also included is a lure, a hook, and some fishing string. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like this little kit. You can certainly add more things to this kit to make it a little more sustainable, but if you had this kit and nothing else, you could really get a lot of work done. It would become really useful for you. I also like the fact that it's in this hard shell case, and this hard shell case does have a gasket and it is water resistant. At the time of this video, it's priced at $25, and if you were to build this kit yourself as is, you would probably spend a lot more than that. Personally, I'm probably going to throw this kit in the glove box of my pickup truck, and well, you never know. It's always better to be safe than sorry. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.